beauty, it's your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we have a unboxing that I am really excited to try out. And the box that we are going to be unboxing is the Filling Fab box. So I was contacted by this company to review this box, and you guys know I love a great self-care and beauty box, so I was like, yes, why not? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump all into this box and what it is about. This is the Filling Fab box, and I'm actually going to go ahead and jump on their website really quickly and read to you guys what this box is all about. Now, of course, you can always find information on anything I talk about in this video down below in the description box, okay? Filling Fab is a premium wellness and yoga lifestyle box delivered monthly. Our emphasis on wellness, holistic self-care, and living mindfully. We've been featured on Forbes, HuffPost, and BuzzFeed. Throughout our subscription, we help our members discover exciting, eco-clean brands that will enable them to build their own mind-body routines and me-time rituals. Our mission is to remind our followers that it is okay to occasionally put yourself first. Okay, and that's a really nice thing because, you know, pampering yourself, caring for yourself is always important. I'll go through a few of the box choices here because they do have a few boxes you can choose from. Two preferences or two boxes you can choose from. The first box is the Filling Fab Mini. Mini is a slightly smaller version of our Filling Fab box. Each month you receive 4 to 6 clean and natural beauty, skincare, and body care products, and 1 to 2 spiritual growth and stress reducing tools. The typical value of each box is $55 plus. Any investment into your own well-being is an investment well made, okay? And then it says that ranges from $21.95 to $62. So that range is pretty much, you can do a month to month. So month to month you could pay $21.95, or you can do a 3-month prepay, which is $62. Okay, I just wanted to see what that range was, okay? And you could pause and skip up this box at any time, which is great. I like that option because, you know, sometimes you just want to probably like, you know what, I don't need it this month, I have so many, you know, products. The second option is Filling Fab Premium Wellness and Self-Care Box. So I'm taking that it is this size. Wellness and self-care products and tools delivered each month. Each month you'll receive 7 to 9 clean and natural beauty, skincare, and body care products, and spiritual growth and stress reducing tools, up to $100 in each box. So this one is the $29.99 one. Oh, by the way, I already opened it just to make sure that everything in here was perfectly fine. So yeah, okay, so when you open it, you get this. The first thing that I see is the Ayurveda inspired ashwagandha infused dark hot chocolate. If you guys don't know anything about ashwagandha, if I'm pronouncing that right, ashwagandha, that is a great root for like relieving stress. Okay, so it's great to calm you, make you feel relaxed, but I've never had it in dark chocolate, so that, my dear, is a first. I can't really wait to try that out. And so yeah, let's look at the details. So it does come with a little guide here. It kind of reminds me of Goddess Provision in a way. Goddess Provision has that same layout where you can actually look at like a little, you know, inventory list to see what you got and what it does. So the this bad boy, it retails for $12. It's in the premium boxes only, it says, and it retails for $12, okay? And this one seems to be an all-natural brand. It just has organic raw cocoa powder, organic raw cocoa paste, organic coconut palm sugar, organic ashwagandha root powder, and Himalayan sea salt. So that's not bad. It's pretty natural, and I can mix it into my almond milk and make me some hot cocoa, girl. Another little thing that I want to talk about that I see here is this little habits list. I think this is pretty decently cool. It just says how to reset habits, which is great for the new year. How do we shift habits that are difficult to change? Here are 4 steps to resetting the habits that no longer serve you. And you just have habits I want to change, what it gives me, what can I replace it with, what can I replace it with, so I will. So that's a nice little, you know, self-reflecting habit tracker to have. You know what I'm saying? We don't like doing these things because that can make you look at yourself. That can make you really look at, you know, yourself and your habits. But I think it is a great thing to have. Okay, so also too, if you're wondering, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this box. All right, the next product we're going to talk about is this here. This is fashion jewelry. It's a little bracelet, okay? And you guys know I like my little bracelets, especially if they're like gemstones or if they're like crystals. I really love a crystal bracelet. Okay. What is this on the front? It has like a little, that's cute. So this is like a little gemstone bracelet, or a little, I don't know, I'm about to read on it right now. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if it's like some kind of a stone, but this is what that looks like. It has a little shield on there, and there's like black and gold detail. Okay, oh, we're gonna put this on. Girl, you fancy. Okay, so this is the natural black onyx gemstone bracelet. Black onyx, if you don't know, is great for protection. So it's a powerful protection stone. Hence the helmet charm on your bracelet. Black onyx is a stone of happiness, good fortune, and strength. As a stone of protection, black onyx provides inner strength, aids in grief, enhances self-control, and stimulates the power of wise decision making. This stone is has a very soothing quality about it that will help remove fear and release worries inside your mind. Okay, and this retails for $21. All right, and I do like the fact that it is, you know, gold and black. It's kind of like right up my alley. So yeah, it's a nice little bracelet. I like this, and I do see myself wearing it. It's just, yeah, it's pretty. Okay, one thing I will say so far about this box that I wish that they included was the brand. I would love to know, where is this from? You know, who makes this? Where'd you get it from? Where is the website? Where can I go and find more information on this bracelet? Because it just says fashion jewelry. That's all it says, and that can be from anywhere. So and even on here, there is no like link to any type of brand. It just says fashion jewelry. So how do I know if this is really even Turbulane? You know what I mean? Like, I'm just gonna be real, you know, I'm just gonna be honest. But that is one of the questions. If this box was something that I purchased, that would be one of the questions, is like, where can I find this? Where can I find another one? Where can I buy it? Like, what other links are there, or what Instagram, where can I look at this? Okay, in comparison to the Goddess Provision box, they have all links to websites and Instagram links, and you can find hardcore or a concrete source of the product. So that's one thing that I wish they had with this. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do the next thing that we got in this box is a velvet scrunchie. Okay, velvet scrunchie, you know, it's velvet scrunchie. So this one says complimentary product velvet hair scrunchie. This is $4.95, and this is included in the premium box. It says, thank you for your patience during your last shipping cycle. We included this complimentary velvet scrunchie. We love the scrunchies for being perfect throwback hair accessories that we never get sick of. Okay, so this is like a complimentary item. It's cute. Y'all know I like my pinks. I actually have a scrunchie in right now, so this will definitely get a little bit of some use out of it, and I like pink scrunchies, so it's cute, not bad. All right, so next product that we're going to talk about is the Farmer's Touch. It's an all-natural products from the field to your home, and this is a foot cream. Okay, it looks like this, comes in a nice little jar like so, and this is what it looks like in jar. Very thick consistency. Actually looks really nice, actually. It smells really fresh. I can definitely smell that cocoa butter in it, so let's take a look at ingredients. Hemp oil, coconut butter, cocoa butter, coconut fig lotion, natural mint oil, and natural eucalyptus oil. Okay, it's really thick in consistency. Look at that. Gotta love it. And this is for your feet, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on the back of my hand. It really does blend in really softly into the skin. I probably used a lot, but hey, moisture is moisture. Okay, it's not like overly oily or anything, which I actually like. Ooh, that's definitely, you can smell that fig. You can definitely smell the menthol in it, and it's very moisturizing, and it leaves a nice little tingle on the hand. So I actually do like that. I think this will be great. I think this will be great for the feet, okay? And so this is Foot Lotion by the Farmer's Touch. If there is one thing our skin needs, it's moisture, moisture, moisture. This beautiful lotion comes from all natural and organic ingredients. Each batch is handmade using ingredients they grow and source organically, from the cocoa nibs to the scents they extract themselves. This foot lotion melts into the skin to help nourish and soften dry and damaged feet. Its creamy texture is quickly absorbed without leaving any greasy or sticky film on skin for soft, beautiful, and comfortable feet. Now, once again, they have By the Farmer's Touch, which is great. I think you can pretty much just go ahead and Google it, or even go on to, you know, actually let's do that right now, okay? And the only reason why I really want to know is because I want to know, where is it sourced from. I want to know, can I put in the Farmer's Touch in Google and everything comes up, or is it not that way? So let's take a look. Let's just on Instagram put in Farmer's Touch. Let's see what comes up. Farmer's Touch. Farmer's Touch. So I don't know if they're on Instagram because I don't see anything coming up. Okay, so the Farmer's Touch, I found them. Perfect. So I found them, but it would be really great if they had their handle on the paper, or either like had the handle like on the information, so that I don't have to actually guess if the Farmer's Touch was going to come up. But I just put in the Farmer's Touch and they popped up right there on Instagram, okay? So that is great because you were able to find them quite easily. The next product is this mango and green tea firming eye mask. Ooh. And y'all know I've really been wanting some good old eye mask in my life, okay? Because your girl needs one. We need one. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really good, and look at it. It's an orange. I'm not going to put my fingers into this. I will definitely show you guys or do a review on this. But look at that. It's just an orange color. It looks very thick, but we're not going to throw our fingers into that just yet. All right. So let's see. Reduce the appearance of dark circles with green tea and caffeine, as apple and mango extract calms and soothes puffiness. Nourishing mango butter and, oh, I never heard that word before. Phospholipids hydrate the delicate eye area for a youthful and fresh appearance. And pretty much you apply this onto your under eye area after of course cleansing your face, and you will wait at least 3 minutes, removing with a damp cloth, and then you can refrigerate this to have it go on like nice and cool. So this retails for $20, and it is by Herbal Dynamics Beauty, okay? And it has the same thing that I just read on here. So eye cream. And lastly, the last thing that we have on here is a Dime mascara, okay? Mascara is always essential. You can never go wrong with a mascara. It's always needed in your arsenal, okay? This one here retails for $18 by Dime Beauty. Dime Volume Mascara is the perfect mascara to build your lashes to their full volume. All ingredients in the formula are 1 score on the EWG scale, which is the highest form of clean beauty possible, okay? Features squalene to improve health of lashes, featuring Thoromba cocoa, which is superfood for hair. So this prevents breakage, aids in length retention, and for healthy hair growth. Suggested uses: apply to the root of your lashes for best results. At maintenance, apply daily. It's vegan friendly, free of parabens, sulfates, and cruelty free. Okay. And this one retailed again for $18. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. I have mascara on currently, so I'm not gonna, go there, but we will definitely be reviewing this. We will definitely be reviewing this in the future, so stay tuned for that. Especially for $18, you better work. I do have a coupon code for you guys to get 30% off of your first box. The coupon code is EuniyceMari. You will use that, you get 30% off of your first box, so definitely go and try it out. I also want to give you guys my overall full opinion of this box and how I feel. Now, I do like the box. I think it did come with some great things, but I just think that there was a disconnection with the information, okay? I feel like within this nice little sheet here, there should be links to their businesses, and also like handles for Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, any of those things that these companies do have, because that's very important. If I'm looking at something and I'm like, I want to know where I can find more or find more information, I should be able to just find the handle here on the paper, put it into my phone, and bam, I got it. Also with the jewelry, I would love to know, where is this from? I like it. I want to get more. Where can I find it? Who is it by? Who did you get it from? But there's no information, no name, no product, no brand on this at all. It just says fashion jewelry. No information. So I would definitely like to know, where is that from? Who has it? Can I get more? Can I get others in different stones? Just more information. So besides that, I just think that the box was great. I do think that there needs to be more information for us to be able to find things, but overall it came with some great things like the eye mask, the mascara, and the foot cream, which I am very excited about trying. Oh, and the hot cocoa, which is always great. So yes, you guys, definitely go and check out Fab Box. I will leave all links down below, all information down below. If you guys have any questions, you can always ask me down below. So yeah, definitely go check them out. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you in a later video. Bye.